Hello and welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday. In this video, we're going to talk about opening up large assemblies and large design review in SOLIDWORKS 2019. There are a few enhancements while working in large design review in SOLIDWORKS 2019. We can still create section views like we have before, using some of the various planes. We can also still zoom in and select specific components out of our assembly and hide them. We can also measure distances between faces, edges, and vertexes. However, what's new in SOLIDWORKS 2019, we can now edit this assembly by right-clicking the assembly in the Feature Manager design tree and selecting Edit Assembly. We now have access to the main planes of the various components. We also have access to sketches and the mates that relate those components within this overall assembly. In this example, we can show this sketch as a reference, go in and actually select specific components and delete them out of our main assembly. And just like we can remove components, we can also re-add or insert new components using the Insert Components command. And just like normal when inserting components, we can use mates to relate these components within the main assembly. We can also attach components that have connection points in them into this assembly. If you have any further questions about what's new in SOLIDWORKS 2019, you can reach out to CAD Micro via phone, email, or check out our website. Thank you very much for watching.